Hello, dear viewers, students, and others. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Farooq Loon again with those words which we pronounce wrongly inside or outside classroom, inside or outside our schools, in the business offices, outside the business offices. So I have written some more words here, 6 words again that we use wrongly in our day-to-day communication, and they are very basic and again, they are common words, not those big words, not those foreign words. If there are some foreign words, we can humble at foreign words, but not in the words that are in our syllabus that we teach to our students. So these 6 words are today's topic, how we pronounce these 6 words. So first word is JEWEL. हम jewel बोलते हैं, मैं jewel बोलता हूँ, but it's a wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is, it's thundering outside if you can hear it, jewel. For those who don't know the phonetic transcription, I have written this word in simple letters, it is jewel. And for those who already know the phonetic transcription, it's like jewel, j, u, l, jewel. And then we have, I know you know already this word, but there are still some among us who use this word wrongly, and this word is not the spelling of this word is, if it's not visible to you, I will read it for you. RECEIPT. It's not recept, it's receipt. हमारे अनपढ़ लोग जो होते हैं, जो स्कूल नहीं कभी गए होंगे, वो ठीक बोलते हैं रिसीट. हम ही शायद ज्यादा कुछ पढ़े लिखे हैं और हम बोलते हैं रिसेप्ट. और हम ना बोस्ट करके बोलते हैं किसी जब हम बिजनेस डील करते हैं और कुछ पेमेंट देते हैं, और वो वहां पे हम बोस्ट करके बोलते हैं, भैया जरा रिसेप्ट देना इसका. It's not receipt, it's receipt. For those who know the phonetic transcription, I will write it like this, receipt. I know it won't be visible to you, but you can also hear it through your eyes, through your ears. It's receipt. And then we have shampoo जो आते हैं छोटे पाउच में, या और कुछ आता है पान गुटखा वगैरह कुछ, उन छोटे ये बच्चे अक्सर दुकानदार के पास बोलते हैं, अंकल मुझे सैचेट दो, शैम्पू का सैचेट दो, वो का सैचेट दो. शायद परसों ही में गुजर रहा था, तभी ये वर्ड मुझे याद आया. एक बच्चा बोल रहा था दुकानदार को सैचेट दो. द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज सैशे. सैशे. You can write it in simple letters as sachet, SASHAY, and in phonetic transcription it would be sachet. So sachet, a sachet. Now यहाँ पे देखिए आप, जब कोई नई गाड़ी लेता है तो हम कहते हैं यार उसने वो ना चॉइसेस की गाड़ी ली. ये चॉइसेस वो चॉइसेस नहीं होता है. ये वर्ड जो है हम इसको रेफर करते हैं और बोलते हैं उसने चॉइसेस की गाड़ी ली. चॉइसेस मींस जो हम बोलते हैं रॉन्गली प्रोनाउंस वर्ड्स, वी मेंट टू से कि जो इंजन पे होता है वो एक नंबर होता है, वो चॉइसेस नंबर नहीं होता है. दैट इज चैसी. द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज नॉट चॉइसेस, इट इज चैसी. So don't you think these are the common words that we use in our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day communication? So this is chassis. Chassis. Okay. And the phonetic transcription of this word would be chassis. Ch-a-s-e. Chassis. और शाजी भी बोलते हैं. There are so many accents in which वहाँ पे शाजी भी बोलते हैं. But definitely it's not choices. Then we have this word, बच्चों को बोलते हैं comb, comb, comb hair, comb every day. That's not, मतलब मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं रॉन्गली इसको प्रोनाउंस कर रहा हूँ. It is coom. Coom. Correct transcription for this word could be or would be comb, not comb. You already know it that B remains silent here, but still it is not comb. It's coom, coom. And then we have lost word here. ये भी हम स्कूल में अगर 200 वर्किंग डेज है, 200 वर्किंग डेज में हम 150 डेज में इस्तेमाल करते हैं ये. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I cordially invite Mr. Lone to come to the dice or to be the dice in charge. डाइस वो होता है जो स्नेक्स से लैडर्स नहीं खेलते हम, स्नेक जो लड्डू उसका वो क्यूबाइड होता है, वो डाइस होता है. बट ऑन दिस वन इट इज डेस. Days. And the correct phonetic transcription of this word would be days. Days. So these are the 6 words we have learned today, how their connected pronunciations are, what their correct pronunciations are, and I will read it for you one by one, coming near to the phone so that you can imitate me and observe my lips how they are actually pronounced or articulated. First word is jewel. Then we have receipt. Then we have sachet. Then we have chassis. Then we have cool. And then we have days. This is all for today. There are still some more words I'll be coming up for you, how we'll be pronouncing those words. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.